quick yet a beautiful sentence that gives us a recap of the different parts of speech. Parts of speech comprise of nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and verbs. So this small sentence will quickly help us to run through the different parts of speech. The sentence is, Ravi quickly runs to his small house and sleeps. Now in this sentence you see Ravi. The sentence is talking about the main subject Ravi. Ravi happens to be the noun. Of course, house is also a noun here. But when we start from the left end, Ravi is the noun. Now how does he run? He runs quickly. So adverb is a word that gives details about the action, that is the verb. So how does Ravi run? He runs quickly, and that is why it is describing the verb. So it happens to be an adverb. Runs is the action word, and hence it is a verb. He runs to his small house. So his is a pronoun. Small house. Now how is the house? It's small. So when you are defining the noun, okay, when you give the details about the noun, it becomes an adjective. And is a conjunction. And he sleeps. Sleep again is a verb. So in this small simple sentence, we get to understand the different parts of speech and how these parts of speeches help you in framing the sentences. Here comes a small exercise, some practice questions to quickly run through and understand if you have understood the concepts of the five different concepts of noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, and verb. Calm waters run deep. Now, what question do you ask? How are the waters? They are calm. So, water is a noun. But when I am giving you the details about how the water is, it is calm, and therefore calm happens to be an adjective. They run deep. Run is the verb. And how do they run? They run deep. So, deep is an adverb. Second sentence. He still owns that car. Obviously, he over here is the subject, but he is a pronoun. Car is a noun. But when I say that he still owns it, okay? Owning is an activity, but I'm talking about still owning it. So, still is an adverb. The third sentence. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. There are two prominent adjectives over here, silver and dark. These two are by default adjectives because how is the lining in silver? How are the clouds? Dark. So they happen to be the adjective. But I also have one more adjective over here. Can you tell me which one it is? When I talk about every cloud, every is a determiner. It is also an adjective because it gives me details about that particular cloud. It is defining or it's talking more about which cloud, every cloud. So every is also an adjective and likewise cloud is a noun. Do subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. In fact, you can also follow us on Instagram. We are with the same name, ELC MBA. And in the comment box, if you need any specific topic or any particular topic, you can let me know. I'll be more than happy to put up a session on that topic. See you in the next week.